Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Trampoline Workout Dude. Now today's video is going to be a simple video. These are rebounding exercises for a beginner. So if you just bought yourself a rebounder and you don't know what exercise to do, so stay tuned to the video and I'm going to show you between 7 to 10 exercises you can do right away. So those were some amazing rebounding exercises for beginners. Now your next question is probably going to be, how do I incorporate these into a workout? So guess no more. Look right here. Look, it's right there. And this is how you can incorporate those into a workout. So if you like this video, I will be more than super happy if you can like, subscribe, hit that notification, share the video, because I am the new authority on the trampoline rebounding exercises. So please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Till the next video.